babe. Hi, babe. Oh. So, we're gonna head to Toys for Tots in a little bit. Car's not leaking anymore. Here's our toys. Chair's packed up. Bring her down with jack stands, and then we'll send it. Check it out. Alright, we're all ready. Running a little bit late with Babe, but yeah, we're gonna head out right now. Let's add some air to the tires and let's go. Hey kids. Alright, added some air to the tires. There's Sally. There's Babe. And yeah, we're gonna head out.
All the setups, you thought you stepped up to get your rep up. The joke's on you, Jack. True that. Cause when I came through the door, my mind was thinking all out war. I'ma settle the score, 1 cent for all. Ain't no time for faking jacks when it's time for making stacks. Dropping bombs like acts in the Bible with my recital. So recline like a passenger seat, son. Relax as I take you to the max, homeboy. You're faking jet acts. Ain't no time for faking jacks.
Mask up.
Mask on.
Mask on. Umbrella girl, babe, umbrella girl.
Alright, we're here. Tutsin of Nissan. Here with Babe Jan. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Look at that slow-mo. Ooh, get him. We're here representing. Oh, look, check the hat. Socal. Wait a minute. Alright, Alright, we're gonna set up the Z and then say what's up to everyone. And yeah, get the toys for the tots. Little kiddos, so let's get to work. It's hot. What's going on? It's a VQ, I promise. It's a VQ. It's a VQ plus 2 cylinders. Ooh, toys for tots. I promise, guys. I promise. It's a VQ. It's a VQ, right? This is mark my words. VQ plus 2 cylinders. Okay. There you go. See, just it's just some bananas right there. Don't worry about it, man.
It's a fake intake. This is covered.
This looks. There's a build set up. Got the toys. Got the chairs. Got the water. Got the bays. Oh wait. There's the bays. There's Bear right there.
What's good, guys? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Ought to be good tacos, good lineups, good cars around here.
That's right. We're enjoying you.
Let's call representing.
Represent?
Yes.
Okay. Socal Z booth with the gang. Gang. Base. And then we're gonna drop off the toys. We're doing that. Kids. We joined the raffle too. Oh, white truck. For the kids. Traqueando cup. Oh, ha!
We forgot to take the price.
Promise it was a good price. Alright, now we're gonna get some tacos because A1.
What more can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way. What more can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way.
Cookin so.
Ain't nothing like the old
What more
school.
can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school.
I remember Mr. Magic Flash, Grandmaster Cass, LL raising hell, but I didn't last. Every D and Rakim was the shit to me. I flipped to see a Dougie Fresh show with Ricky D and Red Alert was putting in work. And Chuck Hill had my homies on the hill getting ill when shit was real. What I still remember raw with Daddy Kane when De La Soul was putting potholes in the game. I can't explain how it was. Houdini had me bumping on that Buddha getting buzz. Cause still I was them block parties in the projects and on my block. If you don't stop sipping on that private stock and through my speaker Queen Latifah and MC Light, listen to tracks of KRS to get me through the night. With Tiller Rockin' Mantronics and Step the Sign. Remember when it was the bomb shit, nothing like the old
What
school.
more can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the
Nothing
way.
like the
What
old
more can I
school.
say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the
Nothing
way.
like the
What
old
more can
school.
I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way. What more can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way. I had shell toes and BVDs. I kill a grease to stop my leads when I hit the streets. I'm playing Skelly, ring Olivio, and catch a kiss. Before the homies in my hood learn to smack a bitch. I remember way back the week weed they had. Too many seeds in the trade bag. I'm on the train heading uptown. Freestyling with some wild kids from Uptown. Profile, I guess the hoop cheap was staring. Checking what a nigga swearing. I'm wondering if that's ahead. I remember stickball, Uncle Hoochie's on the wall. I'm taking leaks on the steps, thinking up the hall. Through my childhood, wild as a juvenile. A young nigga trying to stay away from Rikers Hell. Me and my homies breaking nights trying to keep it true. Out on the roof, sipping 90 proof, ain't nothing like the old school. What can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way. Like the old what can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way. Like the old what school. Can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school like didn't pave the way. What more can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way. Remember popping and locking and Curtis Blow, the name belts, and Scotland Rock the Super Hole back in Latin quarters. When Slick Rick was spitting Lottie Dottie, came in the hoochies at the neighborhood block parties. I remember break dancing the Melly Mel, tickling high LL when he rocks the bells. Forget the TV, I'd rather hit the streets and do graffiti. Be careful, don't let the transit cops see me. Ain't nothing like the old school. What can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way. It ain't nothing like the old school. What can I say? I wouldn't be here today if the old school didn't pave the way.
Niggas give me the cold shoulder, I can speak for myself. So I keep a high waist and alligator the belt. Ain't got a belt with the holster. I ain't playing games, I got some little niggas who would do it, so I pass the controller. You can press the next out, triangle your nose. Pause your life if you squares, try to mess with my O's. Whoa, so cut the crap like shit ballers. Cause we really with the beef for cause of the gay fathers. Nigga, we get dollars, give them the bin baller. Exchange for them chains that's all shiny with thick water. I got back pains, neck Kevin like whipped cream. I whip clean, and they all white, I whip cream.
So Bernie, burn out. You're not down. You're not down. Oh, puppy. Can I pet your puppy? Can I? Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh, that's my boto.
We had about 4 days to promote this event. Just to some last minute issues, but I do appreciate you guys coming out and supporting the cause.
I saw him on the freeway. We filmed him.
Christopher Zavong with his GTR. Nice build.
Woo!
Chris, congratulations. First place is going to be Steve with his LS Swap 350Z.
Oh, that's me.
Oh, Steve's all right. Beyond build.
Oh.
Congratulations.
This is Mr. Tony.
All right. That's right.
Today, additional money machine. Thank you. Congratulations.
Woo!
Merry Christmas. All right, Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you for coming out today. Really, really appreciate the turnout. Thank you for blessing the kids with the toys. We really, really appreciate it.
We were just kidding that you were gonna win it.
All right, thank you everybody for coming out. We appreciate you.
I wanted a 5.
Thank you guys.
Is that fair that we won?
I know.
I thought we were part. I thought it was like because we were booth. I was like,
That
I
was
was
qualified.
DQ because we're part of the team. But yeah, we won. I guess we won first place, and I'm gonna try to get more than $5.
Yeah.
In that money machine. So
You gotta get at least 10 for gas money.
barely. Okay, we'll do. That's a goal for that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tear down the display, and we're gonna help the boys out back there. Put down the booth. Photos in the front.
Alright, back home. C's in the garage, and I'm literally editing the video right now. Yeah, so we're just chilling and home safe and sound. Z got first place, and we had a great time for Toys for Tots for the kids, and that's it. So that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.